You being an ex-military man and knowing all of us in this room know that Mexican drug lords are at war with the United States and with our youth, would you be willing to use drones, whatever military it takes, to take out those drug cartels in Mexico?
Yes, I've already said that. We will lean in against the drug cartels. We will absolutely reserve the right. If they're invading our country and killing our people, we have the right to defend this country. We have the right to hold them accountable. And it's not just if they happen to come over our border. And if Mexico's not going to help us with that, well, then we're going to have to do what we have to do. But the alternative is just let tens of thousands of your fellow citizens die. Let these people, these poor young people, be trafficked into this country by the cartels. And even like what they're doing with the mass migration. You know, there's a lot of criminal aliens coming in, but put that aside. The sheer number of people is overwhelming communities in this country. So they're causing all these different problems, and we're just supposed to turn the other cheek. Not on my watch. We are going to lean in, and we are going to defend this country.
Did you say you would use drones on the Mexican drug cartels?
I said I would use whatever force we need to defend the country. You know, they're killing tens of thousands of Americans right now. They're trafficking people into this country. They're abusing people, sexual abuse. It's really the worst of humanity. I would categorize them as something akin to a foreign terrorist organization. I think that that's what they've proven to be. The Mexican government is not doing what they need to do to help with this. But we said from day one on our border announcement we'd be willing to lean in against them, and we reserve the right to defend the country.
If you see something, say something.